In this video, I'm going to be showing you one of the ways that you can easily 10x your sales and be able to make more money. I've seen so many people who have created their products like Amazon KDP or print on demand, or people who have like drop shipping businesses, or people who have started affiliate marketing and they have all these products, they have all these things that they want to sell, but they are not able to make sales. If you follow everything that I'm going to show you step by step in this video, you are going to be able to easily increase your sales. By God's grace I rise. I want you to go to the description box down below or the pinned comment. You are going to see LAiPIC. After you create an account, you are going to come here. It's going to bring you to this place. See how it is on video right now. Let me just show you something. Now when you come here to create, you'll be able to see long form videos and you'll be able to see short form videos. So when I advertise my products, I mostly use the short form videos. So you can come here and even upload a PowerPoint. This platform is amazing. So let's go ahead and click here. You'll see this avatar here. You can come here and write anything that you want the avatar to say. Or another thing that you can do is that if you want to customize it, you can create your own avatar or you can use your own picture. If you want to upload your own photo, for example, you just come here to where it says upload photo, and then you just come to upload. Go ahead and pick any photo that you want to upload, but always make sure that the photo is looking straight to the camera so that it's going to give you higher quality. Since this is the type that we are doing, then you make sure that you take that so that it matches the frame. Then after you've done all of that, you just go ahead and apply. So after you apply, it's going to load like this. Now you have your own photo right here. So whatever thing that you want to write, you can just come here and type, let's say, hi, my name is Delphine. So I've just typed something here. After you've done all of that, you can come here and always change your voice. You can check the different voices that are here. You go ahead and pick any one that you want. Let's say I'm taking this one and then I'm just going to confirm. And after that, guess what will happen? You just go ahead and you generate it. And then the voice is going to speak, but it's not going to lip sync right now. But during the export process, it's going to lip sync. You are going to see how I'm going to show you. So I just wanted to show you an overview of how you can use this platform in this way. But the way I use it to get more sales, let me show you how I do it. So let's just assume that you have your Amazon KDP product, you have your drop shipping, affiliate marketing, print on demand, FBA, any kind of products that you sell online, you can advertise it, you can promote it using exactly what I'm going to show you. Assuming that you want to become an affiliate for Amazon products or you are already an affiliate, if you're an associate on Amazon, you are going to see something like this link that shows that you can promote links for any product. If you promote that link anywhere, anybody clicks on that link and buy that product, you will be able to get a commission. Anybody can come here, copy this link and post on social media. But if you don't know exactly how to advertise it, then you are going to waste your time. If you don't have an account, I'm going to put a link down below that you can go ahead and click. It's completely free. And then you go ahead and sign up, or you go to Google like this and type Amazon Associate. And then you come here, click here and go ahead and create an account. After you create an account, Amazon is going to approve you. Then you can come here and then you'll be able to get links for any products here on Amazon and you'll be able to advertise them. I'm going to link another video here where I've shown you step by step other places where you can get links for affiliate products, and then you'll still be able to follow the same procedure step by step. Assuming that you are here on Amazon, I just want you to come here where it says bestseller. If you don't exactly know the product that you want to advertise, then this is one of the best things that you can do. So just come here to where you already have best-selling products. Because these products are already best-selling products, then you'll be able to get more sales, right? So just scroll down and look for anyone that interests you. So just scroll down and see anything that you see that interests you. For example, this one, I'm not sure what this is, but you can click on it and see what the product is all about. Okay, it's something to clean the car. So yeah, we can go ahead and promote a product like this. Because the product is already a best-selling product, it's already doing so well, it means that many people already like the product and many people are buying the product. Now I'm going to show you how to create an ad to be able to advertise this product. Now what you are going to do is that just come up here and then go ahead and copy this link. Just like that. Comes here to where it says AI video ad. This is the secret. So go ahead and click here. And now the link that you copied, just paste it here just like this. and then go ahead and click enter. So you just give it some time and the AI is going to pull all the product information and bring it here. So that means that this product is just a product that we are doing for Amazon. It means that if you have any product anywhere, exactly the same kind of thing is going to happen with you. So if you have your Amazon KDP books and you don't know how to advertise them, this is exactly how you can do it. If you have your other product, you don't know how to advertise them, this is exactly how you can do it. And I'm going to then show you what to do after you've generated your video. So you can see the AI has gone and pulled information about that product, so many things here that we could never have thought about. If you have other things that you want to add, you just go ahead and upload here. Assuming that it's a product that you actually took your own photos, you can go ahead and come here and upload those photos right here. Then after you are done with everything, you just go ahead and click next. So it's going to ask you for your target audience. Who are you really targeting? Let's just say busy parents who don't have time to clean their cars, right? Or you just go ahead, take anything that you want to take here based on your product that you are advertising. And then what kind of English do you want? You come here and change it. Let's say we are taking US English. And if you want any other language, there are different languages here, 50 different languages that you can pick from. You go ahead, you just click next. So now it's going to bring you template for your scripts. So these are different scripts that is going to talk about anyone that you want. For example, let's say you want to change something. Let's say you want to use this storytelling. You click here, you just come to edit. You can change the information. You can put something and make it whatever you want it to be. And then like all of this, whichever one that you want, you can go ahead and read all of this and see which one sounds best to you. And then when you are done, you go ahead, you take any of them. Let's just take this one that says 3 reasons. And now you come here, you click next. At this point, it's going to generate your video ads for you. So the good thing about this platform is that they look so professional. And of course, you have many options that you can choose. So go ahead and listen to them. I really like this one. It has just this circle image here. People are not going to pay so much attention to the image, but they are going to pay so much attention to the product. And so it's going to make my product to stand out more. So you go ahead and pick your video format. So after we've taken it, the next thing that I want you to do, so that's a template. You can go ahead and choose any avatar that you want. So you go ahead and just select here and see if you want a specific one. Let's just go ahead and pick this one, for example. The next thing that you are going to do is to pick your music. Come here, try the different music formats, try the music and see which one is best for you. So let's just go ahead and take this one. Now the next thing is the voice. Now remember that we took a male voice. So you can go ahead and try the different voices and see which one sounds best for you. So let's just go ahead and take this one. So after you've taken all those things, the next thing, if you want to add captions so that when they are talking there is caption, you just go ahead and put it right here, just like that. And then you can also decide what gender that you want. So it's male, and then it's going to pull just male voices. So after you've taken that, you go ahead and then you just confirm. Now it's going to generate your video ads for you. So now our video is ready. So what you are going to do is that you now come here. If everything is okay for you, you just go ahead and then you confirm it, and then you go ahead and submit your video just like that. You have this product now that you can use to advertise your product. So you can go now and create an account on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Short, Pinterest, all these different places, Facebook, right? When you post this video there, I'm sure you must have seen this kind of things. When you post this video there, now let's go, let me show you how to get your link for your Amazon product. So when you post your video ads on any of those social media platforms, you come here now, you get this link right here. And then you come here, you make sure that it's on this short link, and then you just go ahead and copy this link and paste it with your video. Anybody who watches your video and they are interested in it, guess what will happen? They are going to click on this link, and then this link is going to bring them directly to the product. And if they buy it, then you are going to get a commission from Amazon, because you are the person who referred that person to the product. The good thing about Amazon affiliate program is that when they come here, even if they don't buy it immediately, so long as they came, they buy other products or anything that they put on their cart, because they click on that link and came here, you are going to have a commission for that product. But one thing that I want to tell you about affiliate products is that when you are selling any affiliate product, for you to be able to make more money, I personally like to sell any product that will give me a commission of at least $30. If the commission is just something like $1, $2, then you need to say how many products? 100 products to just make $100. But if it's at least $30, so you see that if you are able to sell just 10 in a day, then you are able to already make $300. When you are doing affiliate marketing, look for high ticket products. That's what is going to give you more money. So let us go ahead and just watch the video we just created.
Car enthusiasts, here are 3 reasons why the Politiki car cleaning gel is a must-have. First, it's incredibly versatile. Perfect for cleaning car air vents, steering wheels, and even your home electronics. Second, it's reusable, saving you money and reducing waste. Third, it's top-rated. With a 4.1 star rating from over 89, wow, some reviews. Discover why it's ranked number 1 in interior care products and detailing tools. Make your car shine with Politiki.
And go ahead and click on the next video that YouTube is going to recommend to you.
It's been a while since we laid down.